Alright, good morning. If you can't tell by how dark it is, it's not because we're in this gas station, but we're on the dawn patrol. Now it's dark, see? What?
Tired.
That's the claim for today. Tired.
I'm tired.
You
Alright.
can see yourself.
I know, we'll see you at the beach. Alright, first look here. It's pretty much the same as yesterday. Pretty chill. Except the wind's more offshore. How we like it. Oh, slipping. It's pretty solid.